Hello friends, my name is Miss Amber and I'm the Children's Librarian at the Cortland Library with the Warren-Trumbull County Public Library System, and I have for us another fun boredom buster. So today we're going to be making our very own crystals. It's going to be a pretty quick setup, but then we have to have patience to wait. So what we're going to need today is you're going to need about 3 cups of water. You will need some Epsom salt. You will need something to stir with, like a spoon, a glass or a cup, something to hold your concoction, your liquid, your science thing. Either a pencil or a popsicle stick so that you can lay it over top of your jar or cup. A 1 cup measuring scoop, and then also some string, yarn, anything like that. I'm going to be using a pair of scissors, a bowl for mixing, and a pipe cleaner. So, first things first, we are going to have to measure out 4 cups of Epsom salt. So that's why you need your 1 cup scoop. So you're going to be putting 4 cups into a bowl. Fill them up. Whoop. And looks like that's the rest of my bag. Let's dump it all in there. Okay. So we've got a nice full bowl of Epsom salt. Now, what we have to do is we have to heat our water to nearly boiling. I am at the library and I do not have a stove or anything like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run 3 cups through a kettle to get nearly boiling water. So I'm going to take it off right before it gets boiling. And then what we're going to do is we're going to mix our salt into our water solution. All right, friends, so I have my mixture here. I might not have heated the water hot enough this time, but that's okay because I have some pre-poured, but this will just be to show you. So this is kind of what it'll look like. You'll be able to see that, and hopefully yours is a little bit warmer so that yours all kind of dissolves, but you'll still be able to see some salt in there because we are putting more salt in than water, and that's okay. So we're just going to stir it up and make sure it's all mixed together. And this is going to be how we're going to grow our own crystals. So now that we have our mixture, we're going to set that aside and let it cool down. We are going to take our cup and our popsicle stick or pencil, whichever you'd like to use, and our pipe cleaner. And what we're going to do is we are going to decide what shape we want to put into our cup to grow crystals on. So you could either, because this is a small cup, so see there's not a lot of room. So what I do is I usually cut off a piece if I'm using these little cups. I cut off a small piece, make a shape, tie a string, and put it in there. However, what you can also do is you're able to take a popsicle stick or pencil and just wrap the pipe cleaner around and around until it's small enough that you can set it in your cup. And then what you can do is you can take and make a shape. I like to do a fun spiral with mine. You can also do a heart, a triangle, a circle. You could try whatever you'd like. This one's a little small. Wrapped it around one too many times, I think. All right. And then you just put it back into your container like so. And then what we are going to do is we are going to carefully pour our mixture that has cooled down into our cups. to cover up all the way to the top like this. And then we have to let it sit overnight or even for 2 overnights. But we can watch it each day to see how the crystals are forming. Now, lucky for you guys, I have some finished products here. These are pretty cool, so get ready to see this. We've got one that is plain. Oh, I can't wait to zoom in and show you these crystals. They're so cool. And we have one that I put food coloring in, but as you can see, it just changed my white pipe cleaner colors, but I feel like if you put more in there, it is supposed to have some change colors for your crystals. Oh, maybe there is some. We'll have to take a better look here. That heart one is really cool. Okay, let's zoom in so we can take a look and see what our crystals look like. All right, friends, here are the crystals that I have been growing at the library. Can you see them sparkling? That's our white pipe cleaner that stayed white with no food coloring. And here was our white pipe cleaner that we added the food coloring to. And do you see that? Isn't that so fun? If you have a magnifying glass while you're doing this, it's really fun to zoom in and see the little crystals. And if you use a string, sometimes crystals will form on the top of your string as well. Pretty cool. Well, my friends, I hope you give this a try. And if you do, let one of your library people know so that we can be excited with you about this cool science experiment. And if you want more experiments like this, we have a bunch of books here at the library that can help you. If you want to try this but you don't have any Epsom salt around or you can't find any, you can do this as well with sugar or regular table salt. The mixture levels are just a little bit different. But I hope you can make some pretty little crystals to look at, just like these. Alrighty, my friends, I hope to see you at the library soon. Goodbye.